Go. You like doing the hair toss, check my nails?
God, we do air conditioning better than I do dancing and videos, but here we are at North Curl on the Northern Beaches. It's our local area. We do up and down the coast, air conditioning, electrical, the works. We're ready, electrical and air conditioning, and we're ready to help you out. We do lighting, downlights, pendants, fans as well. That's on a lighting circuit. We do garden lights, as well as power points, ovens, stoves, the works. Anyway, also air conditioning, ready electrical and air conditioning. We do ducted systems, split systems, even ventilation, anything to do with air conditioning or air, we can help you out. We're coming into winter soon, but that's not evergreen, so I should probably leave that out. But if you need heating as well as cooling, air conditioners, they do the lot. Oh, don't forget, 5-star Google reviews, check it out. I don't like to brag, and we don't. We let the customers speak for themselves, and they review us on Google when they can. So check it out, Ready EAC, on Instagram as well and Facebook. We're all over it. Check us out. Give us a call now or whenever you're ready.